Today I want to talk about thyme. I grow it in my garden, as you can see. It's an interesting herb. Its name apparently comes from the Greek word thumus, 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 meaning courage. Thyme is a low-growing herb and usually used in cooking. I add it to hamburger and roast beef, and of course in Italian cooking combined with oregano. In grocery stores you can find it, but growing it in a pot or in your herb garden is really easy. I add some regular vegetable fertilizer twice a year, as well as some nitrogen, and water it on a regular basis. The plant needs to be pruned at least once a year. It starts blooming in the spring. That's when I prune it heavily, because it put out long shoots with tender stems that are not woody. It is a perennial, so once you have the plant, you can harvest thyme every year, and it is an evergreen, which is nice to see during the winter when everything else died down. If you live in a very cold climate, you probably need to mulch around the base of the plant once the ground starts freezing. Thyme that has healing properties is the Thymus vulgaris. It contains thymol, which is a biocide that increases the ability to use antibiotics to kill bacteria. Thyme acts as a fungicide and can be used when you have candida overgrowth, as well as athlete's foot. Thyme can be drank as a tea for an upset stomach, and it is available as an essential oil and aroma for aromatherapy. Thyme can slow down blood clotting, and apparently if you are allergic to oregano, you could also be allergic to thyme. Thyme can be used for bronchitis and colds. I used to put stems into very hot water and inhaled the steam, but nowadays I don't get sick anymore. Basically never. That's a different story since I use Megaspore. The link to Megaspore, I put it in the description. So thyme thins respiratory mucus, so you can cough it up easily. If you use a pot of water, simply boil water, pour it into a heat-resistant bowl, and place it on a sturdy table. Cover your head with a towel and hold your face at least 12 inches from the steam so that it feels warm, just warm, not hot. I test the distance with my hand first prior to covering my head with a towel. The chin is the closest to the steam, and the nose. And I don't want to run around with a burnt chin or nose. Just kidding, but really, be careful. You can use about a quarter cup of herbs, if it is thyme or peppermint, to every 4 cups of water. Thyme improves circulation. It also can be used as a mouthwash. Since thyme is a potent antimicrobial, you can rinse a wound with a tea made of the leaves from the thyme. 1 teaspoon of leaves in 1 cup of hot water. Steep it for about 10 minutes. So an interesting herb, easy to grow, easy to use, and I can attest to it. It helps when you have bronchitis or stuffy nose or head cold. It really alleviates the pressure and the mucus. So stay well, take care.